Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull app for options. First, ensure your Webull account is approved for options trading by checking your settings. Options trading involves significant risk, so it's crucial to understand the fundamentals before you begin. Once approved, you can easily access the options chain for any stock you're interested in directly from its quote page within the app. After selecting a stock, you'll see the options chain. Here, you choose an expiration date, which determines how long your contract is valid. The chain displays various strike prices, along with crucial data like bid, ask, and volume. Remember, call options give you the right to buy, while put options give you the right to sell, both at a specific price. To place a trade, tap on the specific call or put option you wish to execute. You'll then specify the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Webull offers various order types. A limit order allows you to set a maximum or minimum price, while a market order executes immediately at the current best available price. Always review your order details carefully before confirming. Once your trade is placed, you can monitor its performance in the Positions section of your Webull app. It's essential to track your options regularly to make informed decisions. You can close a position at any time to lock in profits or cut potential losses. Be aware of margin requirements, especially for more complex options strategies, to avoid unexpected calls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.